This is the chair that was donated to me. There's my buddy Tim. We're making some modifications because it's so damn uncomfortable.
I might have to make another slight modification of this to get it to fit on there because it's pretty damn close.
This is the Franken chair.
Happy Halloween.
We're gonna make this thing work.
Yeah, the one. See if I can interfere with
Where
that
there's a
screw.
will, there's a way.
I don't want to interfere with that screw hole. I'm going to move that hole back.
This thing takes up too much real estate, eh? So we're cutting it. This is part of the footrest, and it was too high, so we lowered it. And the chair was on quite an angle, the seat right here, so we straightened it out so it's level. I'm not fighting to get out of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy.
Fucker! It's all a bit.
This is all part of the aerodynamic design. You've heard of the world's fastest Indian. This is the world's fastest chair. Aerodynamics.
Good as gold. In the bin.
Recycle.
The only issue you might have is getting it off.
No, it comes off. It's made to come off.
Not after we modified the front.
We're not modifying it.
No, we've already modified the backrest.
Yeah, you can do it. Is it gonna come out? Maybe not.
I'm gonna blame that on Harry. Stopping it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, I can fix that too while we're at it. Will come.
There we go.
Nip that off too.
Oh yeah, look at that. So we're doing some Franken Sharon, Mad Max.
Man at work. Hard at it. Doing what men do. Modifying wheelchairs. It's just a giggle. That's that. There he goes. Oh yeah, just like he knew what he was doing. Beautiful. Well played, Mr. Brush. Anything to say to all those other grinder users out there?
You want more of a chamfer?
At least on that back piece down
Yeah.
here, we wanted to cut that on an angle.
Just a little bit like this?
Yep, that'll make things work better. Oh yeah, he's on fire. Yeah, I mean he's on fire.
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, excellent.